Here are some best practices for top roping configurations. We have two opposite and opposed locking carabiners. You can see right here, these particular carabiners actually have a steel plate. Not required, but it does keep the aluminum off your rope over a period of time. Pretty nice to decrease that blackness that gets all over everything. Side note, some years ago I started wearing gloves and using more steel when my wife told me that I wasn't allowed to get black smudges all over the baby anymore. Another popular configuration for top roping is 3 opposite and opposed non-lockers. So 2 opposite and opposed lockers or 3 opposite and opposed non-lockers would be fine as a best practice for top roping. Couple more thoughts. The best practice is to think of 2 opposite and opposed non-lockers as equivalent to 1 locker. 3 opposite and opposed non-lockers are equivalent to 2 lockers. A single tri-lock carabiner would be acceptable, and many people use draws at the top and clip the rope through the draws. 1 draw on each bolt, clip the rope through. That's fine. Most guides, however, do use lockers at the carabiner that the rope goes through in order to increase that protection.